Every year, Judy and I encourage you all to buy fruit plants and plant them in your own garden so that you can harvest the delicious fruit from them. And often, though, we have little predators that come in, those tiny little birds that we might think are larger birds that we think are adorable and charming, but then they end up eating a lot of what we struggle so hard to grow to eat for ourselves.
So to deter the birds from coming into your garden and eating the fruit that you want, there's a couple different items that you can get from your local independent garden center. So this one is called scare tape, and it actually looks like little mirrors on the tape, and you hang it into the bush or the tree. And so what it does is it reflects the light and it kind of just shoos the birds away. It doesn't hurt them in any way, but it just makes it not comfortable for them to come and eat the fruit. There's also bird netting. So you could just tent this over the trees or over the shrubs, and it'll keep the birds from reaching in and grabbing that fruit.
There's also a thing, we call it the big eye. I don't know what the technical name of it is, but you can blow it up. It's quite large, and it does kind of resemble an eye, and you hang that out in the yard where your fruit trees or fruit shrubs are, and just the movement of it tends to scare off the smaller birds. And then also there's these plastic owls. They're quite large, and those also work as a predator toward those small birds. It scares them, so if they see it moving around and the heads often swivel, that'll make them just be scared and fly off.
So these are just a few tips to keep the birds out of the fruit trees in your yard. You know, it maybe to be a better neighbor is to plant a couple more trees or a couple more fruit shrubs to share the bounty.